Hi everyone,
Welcome to our channel,
my name is Alyssa,
and my name is Daniel.
our daughter's name is Charlotte, and we are the Foley Family. Our small family of 3 is making the big move to the beautiful New Zealand.
Follow our journey and learn more information about the reasons and processes that got our Midwest family of 3 to move over 8,000 miles to the land of the Kiwis.
On this channel, we will make content following our journey from Missouri to New Zealand and everything along the way, as we are
Newly New Zealand.
Hey,
Hey, everybody.
so as you notice, I sound like Monkey Do.
Darth Vader.
You're really mean. So apologies for it being so long for a video. The whole Foley house has
Very sick.
hit the sickness wheel.
Yeah, we all, like all 3 of us, Charlotte, Alyssa, me, got a viral infection that led us to having double ear infections.
Which is really weird for adults.
All 3 of us, double ear infections, completely out of nowhere.
Charlotte definitely got hit the hardest. It was I don't even know what day it is right now, honestly, but a week
Wednesday.
ago.
Yeah, a week ago.
A week ago, she spiked like a 104 fever in the middle of the night, so we had to bring her to the hospital. Didn't do much there. Next day, she was still super sick, so we had to bring her to her pediatrician.
Yep.
Had to get IV fluids and stuff, which was really hard to do.
Not fun for babies to get, jabbed 3 or 4 times trying to find a vein.
Hardest thing we had to do. So
Hard as
far, for
parents
sure.
to see that, yeah.
And then Daniel was sick, and then
Yep.
mine just hit. And then the last couple of days, I went to the doctor today, and then got on antibiotics today. So I'm
Yeah.
down in the dumps currently.
We all are recovering, so it's been a long time since our video, and school's ending tomorrow, so everything's just kind of caught up to us. All the packing, all the preparing, all the getting things ready, all the tying of the loose ends, everything. So
a little update of where we are.
Yep.
So I'm stuck. Sorry. So this is our last week in the house.
Yep.
We move out Sunday, and then we're gonna stay with my mom for a week. And then we have Charlotte's birthday party June 4th, and then we leave that night. So it's
Charlotte's
pretty
first
crazy.
birthday party, and then we leave right after, and we leave June 4th, but we'll be arriving in New Zealand June 6th, which I believe is also the Queen's birthday and Charlotte's birthday. So it'll be
2 Queen's birthday in one.
it'll be a day for sure, but our first day should be coming up quick.
Busy.
Yeah. Anyway, so the big, huge announcement that we've been saving for quite a while now.
Which some people might know if they follow us on like Facebook or our private Instagrams or stuff. But
Right. We're pregnant.
ah,
Yeah, round 2.
everyone's probably like, you guys are crazy. You have a 1-year-old. You're moving across the country and
Across the
now-
world, not the country.
Yeah, and now you guys are pregnant.
Yep, baby number 2.
We're just a little bit crazy.
Just a little bit. But
We're super excited.
we're super excited. We had a gender reveal party, so we actually already know what the gender is, and we'll share that with you in a second. But we want to preface it by explaining kind of how the whole thing went, and then we'll play the video clip so you can watch. But we did a smoke launcher roulette, I guess is what it's called.
Yeah, like a cannon roulette.
Cannon roulette. There's 6 cannons. 5 of them were filled with white smoke, and then one of them was either pink or blue for the gender. And they were mixed up, so we didn't know what the order was. We didn't know which one was going to shoot the colors and which ones were going to be duds. That was kind of the fun of it, so you wouldn't know what to expect and when to expect it. So with that in mind, completely random, we'll let you guys watch this video real quick and see exactly how it goes, because it kind of fits perfect with how everything in our life, in our marriage, and our family growing has gone. So take a look. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it could take 6 tries,
Or it could be the first.
or it could be the very first one. Okay. So if it's white, it's nothing. We don't know yet. Pink or blue, then we know.
You know how to do
Okay,
it?
you're gonna shoot it straight up? Okay.
Just like choosing the Pope.
Oh
So, watching the video, obviously you can tell that Dad and Mom are super surprised.
More ways than one.
Yeah, so A little bit of background about my family. There's 9 little kids running around.
Nieces and nephews.
Yes.
Nieces and nephew.
Yeah. 8 of them are girls and 1 of them is a boy. So my entire life, I thought I was only going to be a girl mom, and I think you thought you were only ever going to be a girl mom.
I thought I was destined. I'm going to say destined and not doomed to be a girl dad only, but...
And obviously you can tell we were both wearing pink. I was 100% confident that it was a girl. So super surprised. And also you saw the cannon roulette kind of bit us in the butt.
We were not ready for the first one. That was the very
first cannon. We thought it was going to be at least like the third or something.
And so. I checked, okay? Like, here's a clip real quick of me shooting off the rest really fast because, I wanted to make sure that blue smoke was actually the only one in there and that there was no kind of gag or miscommunication. And we even checked the list.
I also... after that went, because we received like a report from the doctor that had the gender, so double and triple check that to make sure like that was actually a real thing.
We did not expect a boy in no way, shape, or form, but I am so glad because I always wanted one, and now I've got one of each. It's the best of both worlds, and I think you're coming around to the idea of
getting me a little bit getting used to thinking that
she's only ever been around girls. She doesn't know how to. She feels like she doesn't know how to raise a boy. She'll be great. We've been great with Charlotte, so we'll be good at this too.
Yeah, so our next video will be us in New Zealand, which is going to be absolutely insane. So last time you'll see us shooting in
Jefferson
our gorgeous
Missouri
bedroom.
Yeah.
You'll see some better scenery, and hopefully we'll all be recouped and feeling better then. So.
Yep, so next video will probably be like the flight and first thoughts and just soaking it all up and taking it all in. And
is there anything you're super nervous about for the next week or so?
Forgetting stuff.
I mean, we can buy stuff.
I know, but there's things you just like, there's so many last minute things. Toiletries and just medicines and clothes and just...
I do think they have stores in New Zealand.
They do.
Someone correct me if I'm wrong.
I think they have stores in New Zealand.
I think I'm most nervous for the flight because we have
we told them?
We have almost... I mean, I'm sure they know it's crazy, but we have an almost 1-year-old who likes to be on the move 24/7.
Yep.
More than 24/7. So how are we going to keep her in one spot? I don't know.
Essentially, it's going to be 4 flights for us. We drive to Kansas City, which is 2.5 hours. Mm-hmm. Then we fly to Colorado. Then we fly to San Francisco.
Right.
Then we fly to Auckland, New Zealand.
We take a little puddle jumper to Taronga.
Take a little puddle jumper to Taronga, and then we're there.
But
we're home, sweet home. Yeah. Essentially. So, all right.
We appreciate you guys. I'm going to go to bed, so we'll see you guys soon.
We got to recoup. Thanks for checking us out, guys.
Bye.
See you.